how to sign up for Lusha. So go to lusha.com and then enter your email address right here at the top right, and then click on Start for free. And then this will redirect you to another page right here where you have to enter your company name. I'll put Pioneer Media. Put in a first name, for example, Sam. We'll put Sam Wilkes. And then enter your phone number. I'm going to choose the United States. So go ahead and pick that. Then I'll enter my number. Let me go ahead and do that real quick. All right, so there's my number. Now I just go and enter in my password. And then just go ahead and click on Get Started. And then what's going to happen is they will send a 6-digit verification code to your email. And then once you verify your email, you'll be able to log in. Let me show you. Okay, as you can see now, I'm currently signing in. And there we go, guys. I fully signed up for Lusha.com.